Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish limited edition 208. It comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower, the 16-inch alloy wheels, a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning, cruise control, and this car is only £20 to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's done less than 9,500 miles and has been regularly serviced with us. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.